Okay, this is Polly's litter. They will be 10 weeks old on September 6th, 2015. These puppies are just looking more gorgeous every day.
They'll get their first shot in 2 days.
Yep, some
but
ears.
They have reached full-blown heathen status.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Step in their pen and just tear you up.
Sharp
your
puppy
shoes.
teeth.
Your shoes.
Like little piranhas.
Yep.
Little cute, cuddly piranhas.
Today we open their doggy door and see if they'll go down the ramp. See how that goes. Have the great outdoors to explore. Yeah, hi.
Oh, no remodeling.
Come here. All these toys to play with. Come here. Here, kill the duck. Kill the duck.
So all these puppies are spoken for. So here's a shout out to all the moms and dads. You need to start getting everything ready. Make sure you get all your reading done. Starting to puppy proof.
Look at your pretty blue eyes. I think all of them.
They're going to turn amber. So we are seeing some really pretty subtle brindling coming out in some of their coats. This is the first time we've ever done the breeding between Polly, she's a blue and white Boston Terrier, and Val, our blue fawn French Bulldog stud. And she will be bred back for her last 2 litters to Val.
We get some more blues.
More blues. And we'll know the next time. They won't be solid. Some of them will develop pretty brindling. Yes. Oh my goodness. And they love their toys. Absolutely love their toys.
Here's the chunkster.
Yep.
Jeez.
Yep. He says, I'm a boy. I'm all boy, just like my daddy. To your butt.
Come here. Very thick and solid in the body.
Ow, that's my toe. That's Mama's toe. Well, hello there. So 2 of these puppies, number 2 and number 4, get to go to the same home and be raised together, 2 sisters, and that's really awesome. We're very excited about that.
You're one of them.
Yeah, lovey girl. Such a lovey girl.
Maybe I'm old. Yeah.
Really beautiful color on these puppies. Some are darker blue than others. They'll all have the blue mask, the blue ears.
Come here.
What'd you find over there?
That's the ball. Look at that corner.
Oh, here. Daddy will play with it with you. There's another one in there.
Little Pac-Man dolls.
Oh my, what was that?
Hey, Kitty, come here and play with this.
No, you always want to remodel. No remodeling.
You know, all these toys to play with.
Everybody's very chunky and healthy, doing really well.
I'm the only one with my ear up, both of them.
Oh!
We got a single ear here.
Yeah.
One up, one down. Better enjoy it while it lasts.
What? You hear something over there?
Big brute. Big
Huh?
brute.
Everybody here is very solid in the mind, very outgoing. Who's crying?
One here.
See the lover. She says, I just want to love you, Daddy.
Come in for your loving now. Don't take your turns.
They're the big boy. He says he wants to say hello too.
Yeah. Hi.
So if you haven't tuned in to our live puppy cams, you sure want to, so you can see these guys in action. They're entering into another phase of their development, which is learning the doggy door.
The great outdoors.
The great outdoors. They got a nice big yard to romp and play and burn off all this energy in.
We have 2 yards that are oversized compared to the rest of our kennels. They're in a yard that's 15 feet wide and 30 feet long.
It's huge.
Spread your poopuses out.
Yeah. So they'll get used to going outside and playing and outside sounds and
Learn the doggy door, and hopefully
smells.
they'll be outdoor poopers
Yep.
by the time they leave
Outdoor
here.
poopers by 10 weeks old. That's our goal. Then all you have to do when you take the puppy home is teach it how things work at your house. Oh.
Usually, if all things go well, by the time they're 8 weeks old, they don't have a litter box in their pen no more.
That's
Going
nice.
outside,
Yep.
especially when the weather's nice like this. When it's cold out, it's a different story. But
Yep. This is a great time of year to raise puppies because we can do all that for our families.
you're getting sleepy already?
Emily's already been in there playing with them this morning, so that's why they're being more sedate than normal.
You, we're here to play.
Okay, now we can record the second part. Oh, there we got some tug of war action.
Another one woke up. Did you decide to wake up? Was I boring? Well, I didn't mean to bore you.
Pretty babies.
Sleep.
Yeah.
Being sleepy here.
They had a busy morning. See, we've already been played with and entertained. Once you do that energy burn off, that's the perfect time to do training. Training and loving.
You got sharp teeth, Missy.
What you getting? Getting the ball? I'm gonna roll it for you. There it goes.
No, now this one's scratched out.
Really nice structure on these pups. Nice straight tails. Which means our spines are good quality.
He just look at her. Oh, I just want to sleep.
Oh.
Too bad we don't have a plate of spaghetti for her to lay in.
Oh. So here they are. Here's all your babies. They're all doing really good. They're learning. Watch them on the puppy cam. Say goodbye, babies. Say goodbye.